ఇప్పుడు టీజర్ ఒక 1000 వాళ్ళలా ఉంటుంటుంది, సినిమా 10,000 వాళ్ళలా ఉంటుంది. అంతవరకు చెప్పగలం. అది ఫ్యాక్ట్. అంటే మీకే తెలిసి ఉంటుంది హరి గారి సినిమా స్పీడ్ ఏంటో. అన్నీ జోక్ ఉంది, ఆయన హెచ్ఏఆర్ఐ హరి కాదు హెచ్యుఆర్ఆర్వై హరి అని. ఆ, వివేక్ గారు చెప్పారు అది. సో అలాగా సినిమా అదే పేస్లో ఉంటుంది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ పేస్, అంటే ఇందాక మంజుష గారు చెప్పినట్టుగా ఒక్కొక్క పార్ట్ పెంచుకుంటూ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఇంకా ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఆ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ రీచ్ అవ్వాలంటే దాని తగ్గ స్ట్రాంగ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ ఉండాలి, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ టచ్ చేయాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ జోక్ టు డూ అ థర్డ్ పార్ట్, దట్టు ఒక పోలీస్ స్టోరీ. ఇట్స్ నాట్ సో ఈజీ నాకు తెలిసి. అండ్ ఇది డెఫినెట్గా మీ అందరి ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ని రీచ్ అవుతుందని మాత్రం 100% చెప్పగలను. అండ్ అలాగే నాకు అప్పుడు 3 ఏళ్ళకి ఒకసారి ప్రతిసారి ఒక మంచి మాస్ మసాలా డైలాగులు రాసుకునే అవకాశం ఇచ్చారు స్టూడియో గ్రీన్ జ్ఞానవేల్ రాజా గారికి, హరి గారికి, ఈ సింగం ఫ్రాంచైజ్కి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. బికాస్ నాకు కూడా అప్పుడప్పుడు చెప్పుకోవడానికి మంచి డైలాగులు ఇందులోనే ఉంటుంటాయి. ఆ, అలాగే సింగం క్యారెక్టర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు అది నరసింహం, మనం సింగం సింగం అంటున్నాం, ఇట్ ఈస్ యముడు నరసింహం. ఆ క్యారెక్టర్గా ఎందుకు అది ఫేమస్ అయిందంటే నా ఒపీనియన్లో ఒక పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్గా ఎన్నో పోలీస్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ వచ్చే వెళ్ళాయి, బట్ ఎందుకు అది స్పెషల్గా ఉంటుంది, ఇంతమందికి రీచ్ అయింది అంటే అది పర్టికులర్గా అతను ఒక పోలీస్ దానికే పరిమితం అయిపోయాడు. అతను ఒక ఆయన ఒక నరసింహం లవర్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈజ్ ఎ బెస్ట్ లవర్, కొడుకుగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈజ్ ఎ బెస్ట్ కొడుకు. అలాగే వాట్ ఎవర్ ఈజ్ ఎ బెస్ట్ సిటిజన్, బెస్ట్ ప్యాట్రియాటిజం అన్ని వాట్ ఎవర్, అన్నిట్లో పరిపూర్ణమైన వ్యక్తిత్వం ఉన్న ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ని డిజైన్ చేయడం, అది ఒక పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్గా చాలా కష్టం.
సూపర్ హిట్ సింగం, సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్. ఇప్పుడు సింగం 3, యముడు 3 ఇది రిలీజ్ ముందే పెద్ద సెన్సేషన్ అయింది. టీజర్ కూడా సెన్సేషనల్ హిట్. ఈ నెల 23న ఈ సినిమా సూర్య పవర్ ఏంటో మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి చూపించబోతున్నాడు వరల్డ్ వైడ్గా. ఇది ముందు 2 సినిమాల కంటే ఇది పెద్ద హిట్ అయ్యి వెంటనే సింగం 4 స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలని విష్ చేస్తున్నాం. అట్లా జ్ఞానవేల్ రాజా, శివకుమార్ గారు ఈ సినిమాని చాలా గ్రాండ్ లెవెల్లో పబ్లిసిటీ చేసి చాలా పెద్ద రేంజ్కి తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ టు సింగం టీమ్.
అనూప్ గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
తెలుగు కొంచెం కొంచెం మాత్రమే, బికాజ్ the film that I did with Puri sir sabse pehle to it's because of him that I'm standing with actors like one of the biggest stars that I've known, Surya sir, and thank you Gnanavel sir and writer sir for yeah, for me being a part of this project. I do not know Tamil, but it was when I was first offered this role by Hari sir, the way he narrated the story to me, I got so hooked on to the playing Vittal for that matter that I decided to learn Tamil especially so that there is no problem with respect to performance as such. So a lot of hard work was there, of course, with Surya sir's guidance and a lot of people like Venkatesh ji and other people from the production. Hari sir, he was very supportive, and I have tried to play a Tamilian as best as I can. So thank you so much, and looking forward to see you all in theaters very.
స్పెషల్లీ అంటే సూర్య సార్ మీద చాలా అభిమానం. ఎందుకంటే వారి సినిమాలు కానివ్వండి, వారు చేసినటువంటి సినిమాల పట్ల సరే ఎప్పటికైనా వారితో పాటు అసోసియేషన్ కావాలి, ఏ విధంగా వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆ యొక్క టీంలో ఉండాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మరి యొక్క సినిమా హక్కుల్ని తెలుగులో తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మరి వారు నమ్మి ఈ సినిమాని ఇచ్చినందుకు తప్పకుండా ప్రత్యేకంగా వారికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ, వారి నమ్మకాన్ని ఏ విధమైనటువంటి ఇది చేయకుండా తప్పకుండా ఒక మంచి ప్రమోషన్తో ఈ యొక్క సినిమా ఇప్పటికే దాదాపుగా అన్ని ఏరియాలు డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్ నుండి మంచి సపోర్ట్ దొరికి అన్ని ఏరియాల డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్ అందరు కూడా తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. అదేవిధంగా శాటిలైట్ రైట్స్ కూడా ఒక మంచి రేట్స్కి ఒక మంచి ప్రముఖ సంస్థ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. మరి ఇప్పుడు రిలీజ్కి రావడం జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి రిలీజ్ కూడా గ్రాండ్ వేలో రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి ప్లాన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. మరి మిగతా విషయాలన్నీ సార్ చెప్తారు కాబట్టి మరి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ సమయం తీసుకోకుండా మరి నాకు ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని ఈ యొక్క S3 యముడు 3 సినిమా తెలుగులో రిలీజ్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఇచ్చినటువంటి నిర్మాత గారికి మరియు హీరో గారికి ప్రత్యేకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ సెలవుచుకున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This is again a very special moment for all of us here, and especially a special occasion also, I should say, for Gnanavel. It's been 10 years, 10th anniversary for Studio Green. This year will be the 10th year Gnanavel started as a producer, and for me, for Karthi, it's been a big support for whatever he's been doing,
all the movies back in Tamil and also for whatever happening here. And we are thankful, we are still grateful, and we have done a little adjustment in the release dates also. And wishing him all the best for the audio launch today. Dhruva is again a very important film. I'm sure it will be a very important film for Ram Charan in his career. And it will be a surprise for audience to see Arun Swami sir here. So I know it's S3, but I have to talk about that film. It is very, very special for us. It's again like a family, part of a family, no, release happening for us. Here for S3, Yamudu 3, it's not new to you. You've always seen what's been happening last almost 5 years, 6 years. We actually didn't have a plan to do a film so soon. With Hari sir, this is my 8th film, and with Haris Jarad sir, this is my Hari sir 5th and Haris Jarad sir 8th film. So it's been a wonderful association. If I look back, 97 when I started Ner Ku Ner was my first film in 97 end. I never thought somebody will write scripts for me like this. I had a lot of support from my director Vasant Garu and Maniratnam Garu for my launch, and to sit back and see my wife, my father, we all still discuss and say like how you started and what is happening now. To see Singham now is again a big surprise still for my family people. So for all of us here, for all of us in the S3 team, Yamudu is just not a film, but it's almost like a religion for us. We follow that. We know what to do, what not to do, what to preach, and how we should take care of the character. If Narasimham character is there, I take care of the character. I do my best for that character. That's not me, but I do my best for Narasimham character. Same way, Hari sir, with lot of honesty, lot of sincerity, he keeps pushing his limit. When we did Yamudu 1, we never thought we will be seeing Yamudu 2 title. We never thought, we never dreamt of something like that happening. Even this third sequel, we thought we will do this after maybe 5 years or 6 years. We had another script, a village-based script where my character was from a military background. We almost went into that, but we had to come back and again start Yamudu 3 only because of all the feedbacks we have been getting from the fans, from the well-wishers, from the supporters. So we thought, okay, let's try. And Hari sir was very sure with a knot which he had, with a one line which he had for S3. And that's the reason we started. And he also took 8 months plus to write the script. So he actually said, so go for a family holiday, come a little later. I'll write my dialogues, I'll make it a little better, and then come back. So there was an incident which happened when MGR Avargal in Tamil Nadu, when he was a CM, and here NTR Garu when he was a CM, there was an incident which was quoted and which has been really spoken about there. So that is a small inspiration. Most of the shoot, I think 90% of the shoot happened in Vizag, and but the film will be based in Mangalore. A lot of the incidents which happens in the film will be based in Mangalore, but the shooting happened in Vizag. So again, unconditional love happened in Vizag throughout the shoot, throughout the shooting days. Can't forget all those wonderful memories. With Anushka again, it's like again doing another schedule, a third schedule or a fourth schedule, because it's the same team again, with the same cameraman, from the unit members, everybody have been repeated, and luckily we got everybody again, from the track operators to the crane operators. It's the same team again who's done S3. It's just not Hari sir, it's just not me, but from everybody. Even a tailor will come and say like, sir, I think the pant, there's some little fitting problem. Can you just come to the caravan? I'll just immediately alter. Narasimham character should not look like this. He should not wear a pant which is loose, and he will tighten my shirt. So everybody around takes care of the look. Even a Steadicam operator says, sir, I need one more. I think a little more lower moment will make the scene more powerful. So let me do this. I know what you will like. So everybody is thorough with the format, what is needed here. And that gives us confidence, that gives us like an autopilot mode of what to do. And Hari sir can think of the creativity, what to push, how to push to the next level. Every fight sequence is done by different stunt masters. It's not easy to convince stunt masters, but he said like I will take the initiative, I will talk to them. Master, I know a film is done by one stunt no master choreographer, but can you please do this? And he'll come to me and personally say like, no, we have to push our limits. We have to get the best from everybody, and let's do every fight sequence, every action sequence in a different way. So every time that kept happening, like how Hansika was there in second part, here again Shruti has done a very different role. It's again different moments in Narasimhan character's life, and we have, I think, pushed again another boundary of what we have done earlier. A colorist or a camera assistant need not call me and say like, we really love, we have seen the rushes, we are doing a color correction, we are doing the post-production work, and we are really loving what we are seeing. A colorist from another studio who's not associated with the film need not call me, but nice of them to call back and say like, what we have seen is very good, very happy for what is happening, this is what they will expect. So lot of positive vibes from everywhere. Priyan sir, cameraman, and Hari sir are like a nice couple, a nice husband and wife. They have a lot of understanding, lot of give and take between them. So this film is made with a lot of unconditional love, a lot of sincerity, a lot of respect. I don't have to again miss out on this. I have already thanked, but again I have to insist. There's no difference in the opening or the love which we receive for each and every film. Be it Tamil Nadu, there's no difference in the opening and the kind of reception which we get here. So again, thanks a lot for all the support and wishes which you have given for the earlier films, and especially for 24. Can't forget the kind of response which we got for 24. So yeah, this is our next after 24. And thank you, Shivakumar Garu, for all the support you have been giving. I've never seen this.
మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. The 10 years, like Surya sir said, always a dream that in Telugu we have to crack big, because I love this place, Hyderabad. Every time I come here, I feel like going to my hometown, Coimbatore. The climate, the people, welcoming people, and lot of media friends I have here, who are so welcoming and inspiring. They encourage me all the time whenever I'm in failure. And I have to thank Surya sir for giving this opportunity, because this is the third series we are making on Singham, and it is a big opportunity. And every time we come up with this series, there is a lot of excitement which revolves around this film. The people who are involved in this, Surya sir, Anushka, Shruti Hassan, and Anoop, and Sharat Saxena sir, and Vijay Kumar sir, lot of artists who are there on the part 1, part 2, and part 3 also. And having Shashant on board, the first time I met him was in Gajini press meet, and he got introduced that he is the writer of the film. Then I thought he is playing, because he being so young, how he is going to write is the question. But we have a long travel now for 10 years. It's a beautiful travel, a lot of activities which has happened, lot of films we have worked. And thank you sir being part of our travel here in Telugu. And B. Raju sir, who is like a family to us. He's been here for a lot of years, and he's been support to us right from the minute we have landed here. And it's a huge opportunity working with him also. And for first time I think Srinivas is associated with us, and he's doing a good job. And thank you Shivakumar sir for the belief believe what he had on Singham and the team. He's the first fan for S3 because for months together he followed and he cracked the deal. And thank you, sir, for all the promotions, and very happy that you are able to crack the rates for the areas. And for satellite also, I'm very happy for you. And Hari sir, a special thanks because lot of hard work, and for 1.5 year, I think he didn't sleep at all for the last 1.5 year. And he's like whatever Surya sir is on the screen, Hari sir is on the editing table like that. I could see him day and night working hard. And Priyan sir, editor VT Vijayan sir, Kanal Kanan master, and especially to Harris Jairaj sir. He has given a wonderful album. Next week, 11th, the audio event is happening, and the songs have come very beautiful. And 11th we have the audio event, and 23rd December we are doing the release of the film worldwide, Tamil and Telugu. So as usual, how you have supported earlier, I request you to kindly support this film also, which is a very good content. And will
థింగ్ వాజ్ మంచి కాన్సెప్ట్ వెతకాలి అండ్ తర్వాత మంచిగా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉండాలి, విజువలీ బాగా అపీలింగ్గా ఉండాలి. సో అన్నీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫెల్ ఇన్ టు ప్లేస్ అండ్ ఫైనలీ షూట్ చేసాము. షూటింగ్ వాజ్ సో మచ్ ఫన్, వెరీ అడ్వెంచరస్ ఎందుకు అంటే మీరు చూసుంటారు